Everyone wants to make more money. But what if I told you that you're probably ignoring some free ways to put cash in your pocket? No scam, no fake guru course, just overlooked opportunities hiding in plain sight. Today, I'm revealing 10 overlooked ways of making money that almost nobody talks about, and I promise. By the end of this video, you'll discover at least one new income stream you can start today, even if you're broke. Stick with me until the end, because the last one is so ridiculously simple that you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. Number 1. Cashback apps and credit card rewards. Now everyone knows cashback exists, but here's the loophole. You can stack multiple cashback platforms on the same purchase. Example, use a cashback credit card, go through a cashback website like Rakuten, then apply a coupon code. That's triple dipping. And sometimes you end up making money on top of the product. I've literally had cases where I bought something for $50, stacked offers, and walked away with $55 back. That's free money. Number 2. Selling your data legally. Apps like Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel, Honeygain and Mobile Expression literally pay you for allowing them to collect anonymous browsing data. You don't do anything, just install the app, let it run in the background, and you earn passive money. Not huge, maybe $20 to $50 a month, but remember, it's free. That's like your Netflix subscription covered, without lifting a finger. Number 3. Renting things you already own. We rent cars, Turo, cameras, ShareGrid, even power tools. Do you know you can rent out your driveway or parking space with apps like Just Park? People in crowded cities pay insane money just to park near your home. Even renting out your Wi-Fi router bandwidth via apps like Honeygain is a thing. You don't need money to start, just stuff lying around. Number 4. Becoming a user tester. Companies are desperate to know if their websites make sense to normal people. Sites like User Testing, Playtest Cloud, and Try My UI pay you $10-$60 for a 20-minute test. All you do, record yourself clicking around, saying things like, I can't find the buy button. Number 5. Don't throw away your receipts. Apps like Fetch Rewards, Ibotta, and Shopkick literally pay you for snapping a photo of your grocery receipt. You don't have to buy anything fancy. Even if you bought bread and milk, you get points. And yes, those points turn into real gift cards or PayPal cash. Imagine turning your trash into cash. Easy win. Number 6. This one blows people's minds. Did you know you might have unclaimed money waiting for you right now? In the US, there are billions in unclaimed tax refunds, old bank accounts, forgotten paychecks. Just search your name on missingmoney.com or your government treasury website. I've seen people find $300, $700, even $2,000 they didn't know they had. That's not side hustle money. That's your money waiting for you. Number 7. Flipping freebies. Go on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, FreeCycle. People are literally giving away stuff for free. Furniture, electronics, books. Clean it up, snap better photos, list it for sale, and boom, profit. I once grabbed a free office chair, wiped it down, sold it for $50 the same day. Zero investment, pure profit. Number 8. Micro-tasks. Sites like Amazon Mechanical Turk, TaskRabbit, or Clickworker pay for tiny jobs. Tagging photos, transcribing short clips, delivering groceries. Individually, they don't pay much, but stack them up on your downtime, and suddenly you've made an extra $100, $300 a month. That's rent money, covered by your spare time. Number 9. Selling digital clutter. Did you know you can sell your old photos, notes, or even PowerPoints? Sites like Fope, Shutterstock, and NoteSale let you upload random stuff and people pay for it. That half-finished photography hobby? Yep, it can make you money. And number 10, my personal favorite, getting paid to walk. Apps like Sweatcoin, StepIn, or Evidation literally pay you for steps you're already taking. Walk to the store, paid. Walk your dog, paid. It won't make you rich. But hey, you're being rewarded for staying healthy. And if you already walk every day, why not cash? So, there you have it. 10 overlooked ways of making money, all starting from zero. Some are passive, some are side hustles, some are literally finding free cash that's already yours. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these money hacks are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments because I reply to every single one. And if you found even one tip helpful, hit that like button, share this video with a friend who needs extra cash, and of course subscribe for more money hacks every single week. Remember, money doesn't only come from working harder, it comes from working smarter.